Hey friends, you know what time it is. It is time for the last episode of our weekly news for this school year. We have all kinds of excitement coming up in this episode, including some special guests that you will not want to miss. The grand finale of our Teacher's Pet segment. You're going to want to see that. So hang in there. But first, we are going to take a moment and pay a little tribute to our fourth graders and anybody who won't be coming back to our building in the fall. We want to give a special shout out to Miss Lopez and wish her a very happy retirement. You know, just let me say before we part, so much of me is made of what I learned from you.
You'll be with me like a handprint on my heart.
And now whatever way our stories end,
I know you have rewritten mine by being my friend. Like a ship blown from its mooring by the wind of the sea. Like a seed dropped by a sky bird in a distant wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? But because I knew you, I have been changed for good.
And just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness for the things I've done you blame me for.
But then I guess we know there's blame to share,
And none of it seems to matter anymore. Like a comet pulled from orbit as it passes the sun. Like a stream that meets a boulder halfway through the wood. Who can say if I've been changed for the better? I do believe I have been changed for the better.
And because I knew you,
Because I knew you.
because I knew you, I have been changed for good.
You know, just because you may not be walking through the doors of the WC in the fall, you can still be a part of our school family. You're still in our hearts. Stay tuned to see what I mean.
Hi kids. So I heard from Miss Taylor that you all have a Get Up challenge dance video going. And so I thought I would find a few of my friends who used to be at Ward Central, like Mr. Sullivan, and see if we could participate. Hope you enjoy.
Let's have some fun. To the left now. To the right. Now take your left hand and put it on your side. Gonna roll your shoulders. Do the slip and slide. This next part's my favorite part of this time to shine. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with me to hold down and get it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. And lean back, put your hips in it. It's simple, you can do it. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Now cool down, have a good time. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Do the butterfly, have a good time. Round, round, round and round you go. It's time to show out right now and take to the floor. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with me to hold down and get it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't go down, take a sip with it and lean back, put your hips in it. Take it down now, take it down now, take it down now.
Congratulations to Nadia for reaching a huge reading goal. She finished the first book of the Harry Potter series. We also want to extend our warmest welcome to the newest member of the Ward Central family, Miss Finley Kate Ford, daughter of our first grade teacher, Miss Ford.
Pet of the week is Greg. He is one of our old school pets.
I remember having Greg. That was so much fun.
I miss him. Everyone misses him.
You may remember him as the tiny pig roaming our hallways on a leash, but now he is a big pig living it up on Miss Burton's farm. And sometimes Jet rides him like a horse, which I think is hilarious. But he was on Miss Burton's front porch and knocked over some pots and broke them and ate some of her flowers.
Oh,
So he's grounded. Now he has to stay in the pen, but I'm sure he'll be ungrounded soon and get to play with his friends, the chickens and the cows and all that again.
And Jake can ride him.
Exactly. I love that. Be sure to check out the talent show that your teachers shared out because Ward Central has got talent. Now, I hope you've been practicing the Get Up dance. I know we have. I can't wait to do this together in person to celebrate being back together, but for now, let's just do it here.
Just follow after me. Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with him. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Gonna throw down, take a sip with it. Now lean back, put your hips in it. Let's have some fun. To the left now. To the right. Now take your left hand and put it on your side. Gonna roll your shoulders. Do the slip and slide. This next part's my favorite part, cause it's time to shine. Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with him. Do the hold down and get into it.
Ward Central, it's the place to be. Ward Central makes a better me. While here we learn to read and write, we learn to grow our minds. We also learn to laugh and love. Ward Central helps me shine, shine, shine.
We hope you have a great summer and always remember, you are loved.